Setting up a bed has never been easier. The platform bed frame from Weekender comes shipped in a convenient box. All you have to do is unfold and hand tighten the leg bolts for a sturdy bed frame that eliminates the need for a box spring. Offset support braces at the center of the frame create exceptional stability. The grid design at the surface makes an ideal foundation for memory foam, latex, and traditional spring mattresses. With 13 inches of clearance beneath the frame, you have plenty of room for storage and organization. The metal frame is 1 inch shorter than your mattress on all sides for safety and ideal support. Product protected by a 3-year warranty. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Platform-style folding bed frame replaces box spring and provides quiet, sturdy support. Number 2. The frame offers 13 inches of clearance for extra storage space under the bed. Number 3. Assembles in minutes with no tools. Simply unfold and hand-tighten leg support bolts. Number 4. 1,500-pound weight capacity creates a strong foundation for memory foam, latex, and spring mattresses. The frame has a 3-year warranty. Number 5. Full XL frame comes with 2 pieces. Fully assembled dimensions are 78 by 52 by 14 inches. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.